What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a first aid kit in Arma 3. Now before we could use it, our character needs to take damage first. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to throw a grenade right in front of me and try to damage our character. Now here it is, I'm gonna get close to it. Yep. So our character is hurt now. The moment you see that white star or asterisk in the middle of your screen, it means your character is hurt. And that's when we need to use the first aid kit to recover. There are actually two ways to use the first aid kit. The first one is to use the spacebar and our character will heal himself. And the second option is to click the middle mouse button, which is the scroll wheel on your mouse. And this little menu on the left side of the screen will pop up, and there you can see the treat yourself option. Click on the middle mouse again to proceed with the action. And there we go, our character is healing himself. And that's basically how you use a first aid kit in Arma 3. Thanks for watching.